Now let us see the introduction to the interface of Google Earth Pro. Now this is the menu bar where you can see file menu, edit menu, view menu, tools menu, add menu and help menu. In file menu you can open a file, save file, print a file. In edit menu you can cut, copy and copy image, copy view location and find. In the view menu, if you unselect the toolbar will hide, and again if you go to view menu, if you select the toolbar will be seen. In the view menu, if you unselect the sidebar will hide, and again if you go to view bar and select sidebar, you can see the sidebar. Now in full screen option, if you select it, the interface will be in the full screen mode, and again if you go to view menu and select full screen, it will be back in its original interface. Now in the view size, you can see there are different sizes available. You can select any one. There is a show navigation option, there is a status bar option, this is a grid option, this is overview map option, this is the scale legend option, this is the atmosphere option, this is the sun option, and this is the historical imagery option. In tools menu you can see the ruler option, tables option, GPS option, movie maker option. In add menu you can add a folder, add a placemark, add a path, add a polygon, add a model, add tour, add photo, add image overlay, add a network link. In help menu you can get a help from a Google Earth Pro. Now this option is to hide a sidebar. If you select it, the sidebar will hide, and if you unselect it, the sidebar will be seen. This is the add placemark option, this is the add polygon option, this is the add path option, this is the add image overlay option, this is the record tour option, this is the historical imagery option. If you click it, you can get imagery from 1930 to 2020. This is the show sunlight option. If you select it, you can see the sunlight on the globe. From here you can see the sky. You can see the Mars. You can see the moon. Back to Earth. This is the show ruler option, this is the email option, this is the print option, this is the save image option, this is the view in Google Maps option, and this is the view in Google Earth on web. Now in the right side, from here you can look around the globe, and from here you can move the globe around. Now in the left side there is a search bar option. If you want to search any place, you can type there. Now we will search here Nagpur. Select it and we will search it, and it will direct you towards Nagpur. Whatever you search over here will be seen in the places. On the left side there is a layers option where you can see announcement, borders and labels, places, photos, roads, 3D buildings, weather, gallery and many more. If you want it, you can select it, otherwise you can keep it as unselected. So this is the introduction to the interface of Google Earth Pro. Thank you.